Python sorted Lambda function, returning a Boolean. So, I have a list of names, and I'm trying to sort the list such that the names that start with a vowel are positioned first within the list, and then those that don't start with a vowel are then positioned after them and sorted alphabetically. To do this, I wrote the following code. However, the result is not what I expected. Outcome. I thought based on my code, the names Anna and Ollie should be positioned first, and then the rest of the names since these two names would return true for the first part of my Lambda function. I'd appreciate it if someone can explain why I'm getting this result and what I need to do in order to get my desired outcome. Thanks.
The reason is that returns 1 or true for Anna, Ollie, and 0 or false for the rest. So 0 is lower than 1, hence the output. Do this instead. Output. For an explanation in comparisons, check the documentation. The quote below is from there. Tuples and lists are compared lexicographically using comparison of corresponding elements. This means that to compare equal, each element must compare equal and the two sequences must be of the same type and the same length. Also for the behavior of Boolean values, I suggest the following link, quoting. Boolean values are the two constant objects false and true. They are used to represent truth values, although other values can also be considered false or true. In numeric contexts, for example when UC does the argument to an arithmetic operator, they behave like the integers 0 and 1, respectively.
When you are returning a Boolean value, in Python it corresponds true equals 1, false equals 0. So now when you sort your array, 0 is less than 1. That's why you are getting Anna and Ollie positioned last and rest of the names first.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.